If you're an active parent trying to find a jogging stroller that actually keeps up with your lifestyle, this breakdown is going to save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. A lot of parents end up buying strollers that look good on paper but don't perform well once you take them outside, especially for jogging, long walks, uneven terrain, or anything outdoors. In this video, we're going to go through 6 of the best jogging strollers available right now, and I'll break down who each one is for, what it does well, what you need to consider before buying, and whether it's actually worth your money. Everything I mentioned is linked below in the description so you can check specs, updated pricing, and customer reviews for yourself. Whether you're running daily, training seriously, going on long walks, or you just want a stroller that can handle anything you throw at it, this list will help you pick the perfect one for your lifestyle. The first stroller is the Thule Urban Glide 3, which is widely considered the best overall jogging stroller on the market right now. This stroller is for parents who want one single stroller that can do everything. It works for running, everyday use, travel, parks, errands, long walks, and even rougher terrain. If you want a stroller that's smooth, lightweight, reliable, and comfortable for both you and your baby, this is the one most parents end up choosing. What the Urban Glide 3 does extremely well is provide one of the smoothest rides in its class. Thule updated the suspension in this version, and the difference is noticeable. Whether you're jogging or just pushing it on uneven sidewalks, it glides effortlessly. It's also lighter than many full-size joggers, so maneuvering it is easy even with one hand. The one-hand fold is fast, simple, and locks securely, which makes it great for storage and travel. Another strong point is the canopy. It has excellent sun protection and ventilation, which is huge if you live somewhere warm. The storage basket is roomy but doesn't add unnecessary bulk. Now, there are a couple of things to consider. It's not the cheapest stroller, so if you're on a strict budget, this might stretch it. And although it's more compact than many joggers, it's still not as small as a travel stroller. But overall, if you want one stroller that genuinely does it all, running, errands, everyday life, the Urban Glide 3 is the safest and smartest pick. Check the link below for details. Moving on to stroller number 2, the Baby Trend Expedition Jogger. This one is known as the best budget jogger, and honestly, it's one of the best value strollers out there. This stroller is for parents who want the jogging stroller look and performance without paying a premium price. It's perfect for light jogging, regular walking, and daily use. It does well, is extremely impressive given its price. It's sturdy enough for jogging, and the front swivel wheel locks into place when you're ready to run. You get good storage, cup holders, and trays that many more expensive strollers oddly don't include. It's also easy to set up, easy to fold, and easy to use right out of the box. And the price is usually a fraction of what premium joggers cost. But there are some things to think about. This is not the stroller for serious runners. The suspension is basic, and the tires aren't built for intense speed or rugged terrain. It's also heavier and bulkier than more premium models, which might matter if you're lifting it in and out of the car often. But if you're on a budget or if you're a casual jogger who wants something reliable without spending a lot, the Baby Trend Expedition is a great choice. The link is in the description. Next is stroller number 3, the Guava Roam Stroller. This is the best everyday jogger and one of the most unique options on the list. This stroller is for parents who want something incredibly lightweight, portable, and easy to manage, especially if you live in an apartment, travel frequently, or don't want a huge stroller taking up space. What makes the Guava Roam stand out is that it's really lightweight for a jogging stroller. It folds compactly, fits well in smaller trunks, and is much easier to carry than most joggers. The maneuverability is excellent, especially in tight spaces like stores or busy sidewalks. The materials and build quality feel premium, and it has a modern, clean look. And even though it's not a hardcore running stroller, it's very capable for occasional jogging and active daily use. Now, what should you consider? The wheels are smaller compared to performance joggers, so if you're running long distances or on rough trails, this won't give you that same high-performance feel. It's designed to be your everyday stroller with jogging capability, not a specialized runner stroller. But overall, if you want something stylish, lightweight, and extremely convenient for everyday life while still being able to jog occasionally, the Guava Roam is a fantastic pick. Link below. Number 4 on the list is the Thule Chariot Cross 2, which wins the award for the best multi-sport jogger. This isn't just a stroller, it's a full adventure system. It's for families who do more than just jog. If you bike, hike, walk long distances, or even ski, This is the stroller that adapts to your lifestyle. The Chariot Cross 2 does a lot extremely well. First, it can be used as a jogger, a bike trailer, a regular stroller, and with the right kid, even a ski sled. It's incredibly versatile. The suspension is excellent and handles off-road terrain better than almost any stroller out there. Safety features are top-notch and the build quality is rugged. It also has a ton of ventilation options, cargo space, and weather protection accessories. But you need to know, it's expensive, one of the most expensive options in the jogging stroller category. And because it transforms into so many modes, it's larger and heavier than a standard jogger. But still, if your family is outdoorsy and you want a stroller that can keep up with biking, running, winter activities, and everything in between, the Chariot Cross 2 is worth the investment. The link is in the description. Next is stroller number 5, the Bob Gear Revolution 3.0 Duallie. This is the best double stroller for running. If you have 2 kids and still want a stroller that performs like a real jogger, this is the one most parents choose. The Revolution Duallie does a lot extremely well. Bob is known for having some of the best suspension in the stroller world, and that stays true here. Even with 2 kids, the ride feels smooth and stable. The stroller has a wide base that makes running feel balanced and controlled. The air-filled tires are ideal for jogging and rough terrain, and the canopies are huge, offering tons of coverage. Storage is also plentiful, with pockets and compartments everywhere. But you should consider the size. This stroller is wide, it won't fit through every doorway, and it's heavier than single joggers, but that's expected with double strollers. If you have 2 children and want the best performing double jogging stroller for running, long walks, or outdoor adventures, the Bob Duallie is by far the best choice. Check the link below. Finally, number 6 is the Cybex Zeno, which is the best choice for serious runners. This stroller is for parents who want performance, speed, flexibility, and the option to run hands-free. It's not your everyday stroller, it's built specifically for athletic parents. What the Cybex Zeno does incredibly well is offer a unique running experience. With the right attachments, you can actually run hands-free by pulling the stroller behind you like a running cart. The design is lightweight and aerodynamic, made to support fast running. The adjustable height settings help you maintain proper running form, which is something most joggers don't offer. It's stable even at higher speeds, and the materials give it a premium sporty feel. What to consider is that this is not a general-purpose stroller. It's not meant for errands or quick store trips. It's designed for training and serious fitness use, and accessories for hands-free running can increase the overall cost. But if you're a dedicated runner looking for a stroller that supports different running styles and gives you maximum freedom, the Cybex Zeno is in a category of its own. Link below to check it out. So whether you're a casual jogger, a parent who loves long walks, or someone who's training seriously, these are the best jogging strollers for active families right now. Each one fits a specific type of parent and a specific set of needs, which makes it much easier to choose the one that matches your lifestyle. All the stroller links are in the description below so you can compare specs, read reviews, and find the best deal. Thanks for watching, and this has been the list of the 6 best jogging strollers for every active parent. Enjoy the run, enjoy the journey.